Therefore, based on the predetermined value for G0, the even function, and H0, the odd function, also based on W negative Rn function, W negative n function for n point equal to 4. So we determine the value for the equation for x0 until x3. So we have this one. This is based on the even function, even equation, and this one is based on odd equation. So this is the 4 points inverse fast Fourier transform from the value of xk to determine xn from n equal to 0 until 3. So based on divide and conquer, so based on this 4 value of xk, so we have radix 2 even, x0, x2, and radix 2 odd, x1 and x3. Okay, so this is the butterfly signal flow for 4 point of inverse fast Fourier transform. And based on the equation, this is x0, this is also x0, this is x2, and this is negative x2 since it is multiplied with negative 1. So the next one for odd function, we have x1, and this is also x1. From this point, this is x3, and this is multiplied with negative 1, so it becomes negative x3. The next one, this value x0 plus x2 at the summation point is equal to g0 and g2. So for this point, x0 minus x2. Okay, so this is equal to g1 and g3. So at this summation point, it is x1 plus x3, so it is equal to h0 equal to h2, and at this point is x1 minus h3, so it is equal to h1 and h3. So the next one, for this summation point, it is based on this one. For x0, we use g0, so this is g0, and plus from this one, this we use h0 multiply with 1, so we have h0 here. So at this point is g0 plus h0. The next one is multiply with 1 over 4. So for x0 we have 1 over 4 multiply with g0 plus h0. So the next one is from this one. So for based on this line, so we have g1 here, and this one we have h1 that multiply with j, so we have jh1, so g1 plus jh1 multiply with 1 over 4, this is x1. So the next line is for based on this one, so we use g2 for x2, and from this one we use h2 multiply with 1 and again multiply with negative 1, so we have negative h2. So at this point is g2 minus h2 multiply with 1 over 4, so we have x2 here. And the last one is this one. This is from g3 for x3, so from this one h3 multiply with j and again multiply with negative 1, so we have negative jh3. So at this point is g3 minus jh3 multiply with 1 over 4, so we have x3 equal to this equation.